Substack does not offer a direct native Google Analytics integration. This creates a challenge for content creators who want detailed analytics beyond what Substack provides natively. Content creators must use workaround methods to connect Substack with Google Analytics. These include custom HTML injection, third-party integration tools, or manual tracking implementations using UTM parameters. All current integration methods are compatible with Google Analytics 4, which became the standard after Universal Analytics sunset in July 2023. This ensures your tracking setup will work with the latest analytics platform. To integrate GA4 with Substack, you need a GA4 property with its unique measurement ID. This ID, which starts with G, is essential for all tracking implementations. Substack has improved its native analytics dashboard, providing basic metrics like subscriber counts and engagement rates. However, it still lacks direct GA4 integration, limiting advanced tracking capabilities. For successful GA4 integration with Substack, you'll need a GA4 property with its measurement ID. Consider setting up enhanced e-commerce for tracking paid subscriptions and custom events for newsletter signups to get comprehensive analytics data. The first practical method for connecting GA4 to Substack is implementing consistent UTM tracking for all your shared content. This allows you to monitor traffic sources and understand how readers discover your newsletter. UTM parameters are tags you add to your URLs that help Google Analytics track where your traffic comes from. Here's an example of how to structure your UTM parameters for Substack content. The second method involves setting up GA4 goals to track important conversions like newsletter signups and paid subscriptions. This helps you measure the effectiveness of your content strategy. GA4 uses an event-based model instead of the old session-based approach. You'll want to set up custom events for newsletter subscriptions, paid conversions, and content engagement metrics. The third method uses third-party automation tools like Zapier or ConvertKit to create automated data flows between Substack and Google Analytics. These tools can bridge the gap where direct integration isn't available. These tools can automatically send subscriber data, engagement metrics, and revenue information from Substack to your GA4 property. While they require additional setup and often paid subscriptions, they provide the most comprehensive tracking solution. For long-term success, you should monitor Substack platform updates for potential native GA4 integration, develop your team's analytics skills, and ensure compliance with evolving privacy regulations. Privacy compliance is especially important. Use this decision tree to ensure your GA4 data usage meets current regulations and protects your subscribers' information. By implementing these three methods, UTM tracking, GA4 goals, and third-party tools, you can effectively connect Google Analytics to your Substack newsletter and gain valuable insights into your audience and content performance.